my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm creeping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm bouncing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. You're tuned in for another one. As you can see, I'm about to get up here and fool with this damn thing. We gotta do our honey-dos. You know what I'm saying? But not. But you out there swapping all them motors and stuff, and hold on, let me get my ice up. You been out there fooling with all them motors and stuff, and you ain't. I asked you to change the light bulb, and you couldn't even do that. Y'all know. Y'all know the speech, fellas. So I figured we get some footage doing the everyday shit, and just in case I fall, we'll have that on camera too. So we'll climb up here to the top. We're gonna see what it is that's holding. You won't believe this setup. Like, I'm gonna show you how I got this shit set up. I'm gonna take a picture of it right. I'm gonna clean the lens off. Take a picture of the setup right now. 3, 2, 1, snap. That's crazy, right? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. As you can see, what time it is. Oh man, it's like 10. Not 10. It's not 10. It's like 8:56. The sun is finally going down behind the building. Like, I'm trying to get out here. I'm trying to stay productive. I'm trying to keep grinding and getting on it so I can get the Chevy done. Well, not done, but we can make progress on the Chevy, right? Of course, in order to do that, you know, some shit gotta move, some shit gotta get sold. So, earlier last week, I let y'all know that I was gonna be going ahead and doing. Basically, I'm gonna start selling parts. If it's some shit that I come across and there's some shit you need, holla at your boy at 1-800 what's happening. Bang my line and we can get it cracking. You know what I'm saying? That number again is 1-800 what's happening. Nah, shout out to Big Jaw though. Shit, man, like it's crazy, man. It's crazy. What do I have for sale? What I'm gonna be, everything that I'm gonna have for sale, I'm gonna pretty much be posting on the Instagram page. Some of the shit I'm gonna just put it straight on eBay. You know, different shit like that, man. So we can get this bread up, so we can do what we gotta do with the Chevy. As more and more and more is revealed and as time goes on, then you'll see better and better my vision coming to life. Right now it's just it's in slow motion, you know what I'm saying? But as we gain a bigger following and, you know, shit, I get my money up, then we'll do it like that. We real close though. We are very close to going to a cruise in, and I'm super duper excited about that shit. So let me just show you a couple things that I have in stock, you know, for sale, and then we'll go from there. So like I said, from now on, this will be the only video that I do like this. Other than that, you know what I'm saying, you can hit the Instagram at Chevy 254. You know, the one that's always at the top of the screen. Hit me on there, man. Let me know what you need, and we'll go from there. question. Well, let me go ahead and answer the first question for you. That grill is not for sale. It's not. I apologize, but I don't. So sorry, not sorry. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. Chevy 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel. Watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. This is the wiper reservoir. I got it. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit. It seems to still be, you know, not the real bad. Sturdy, good condition. You know what I'm saying? If you need it, holler at me. And we'll go from there. So, like 20 plus of shipping on that joint. Coolant reservoir. You know what I mean? Actual coolant reservoir with the hose on there. It cleaned up pretty well too. I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, this one feels pretty sturdy too. Just to kind of give y'all an idea. So ran some water in, purple power through it, man. Try to clean it up for y'all and whatever. So, you know, shit, 20 on that too. So 20 plus of shipping. Got you. But I got these 1984, well, 80 through 84 tail lights. You know what I'm saying? They going for $1 plus shipping, or just $1 if you local. Left and the right Euro tail lights going for $1. I know some guys was asking about them corner lights. Got them corner lights. This one is good all the way. This one kind of busted, but the inside glass is good. So holler at me. Let me know what you want to do on these. I'm thinking like 60. You know what I'm saying? I got another set that I'm gonna probably do 100 on. Let me show you them. I don't know where they at right now, but I got another set. I'm gonna do probably like 60 on them, and I'll put them up on the Instagram page, so y'all go watch out for that. Got this little bracket here. Where put your LS motor into, put your LS computer to. If you're going under the hood or something, and you just need a bracket, all you gotta do, take your computer here, snap it in a position like that, put the little joint, throw that back, right off in there, just like that. Computer's not included. These are going for 10 a piece. $10. No. These is 20. I'll take that back. I apologize. 20 for these. Holler at me. You gotta tell the license plate for the back You know what I'm saying? The one that flip down with the levers and everything. You know what I'm saying? You can put your gas in there. Got that. And you can damn near call this the $20 holler. But not for these though. These going for this is the left and the right bezels. You know what I'm saying? Bezels and the end markers. So what we gonna do, we're gonna go 80 on these. 80 on these. Prices might be negotiable, shit. It's really like a fundraiser, you know what I'm saying? It's really like a fundraiser for the Landau. So get these parts sold, we can finish our shit and get it poppin'. Check out the Instagram page for much more. It's your boy LS Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Gone.